as the sun sets, we are done with our work. We just managed to sow about 3 kgs of seed for about 2.5 acres of farmland. OPV was not left out. Here we have Texas Grano. This is a white variety, open pollinated by Royal Seed. That's Red Creole. That's a red variety, open pollinated. I wanted to pit them against these ones. These are hybrids, so that we can see and be able to judge. Are they worth a try to try and cut cost? This can was going for like 2,000, and this is 100 grams. So actually it was like 1,200 or so. So 1 kilo will be about 12,000 compared to the large sums of money that we spend on hybrids. So here hybrids, once again, we have Red Coach. There is one of the contenders. You can see. There's Neptune, Kondani, there's Chui, and there's Africa Red. We had done Africa Red prior. So we've done about 800 grams of each. So that totals to 3 kilos plus the OPV varieties and some few that we had left. We still have some seed that we're going to add for the next round. So all in all, here we have one called Baftain. This one was sent as a sample by a friend of mine. 15th of June, we're doing another propagation unit of about the seeds that are left here. So we want to be doing this monthly so that we have consistent supply. One, for our markets, and two, ensuring we can deliver and assure quality supply. So in the meantime, this was optimized and calculated by this scale. This scale can even shake with your breath. Very nice scale, that one. So as you can see, the gents are covering it up. We want to wet it quickly and cover it with a net. That's it. This video, perfect.